I don't know, maybe it's just me, but lately I've been having a lot of trouble driving small screws in tight spaces like this drawer slide I'm replacing.
You know, a magnetic screwdriver certainly will help a lot because it is very frustrating when you're right in the middle of a project and you keep dropping screws.
Now, the magnetic tip screwdriver works great unless you've got a brass or aluminum screw, then it simply won't work. But I've got a better way to make every screw work on almost any screwdriver. Take a small piece of plastic food wrap and then push the screw right through the center of the plastic. Now, you can also use a piece of tape or a strip of paper, but I found this works better because the plastic wrap sticks to the shaft of the screwdriver and holds it in place. Then you simply put it in there and the plastic wrap will hold it in place.
Now this will work in a lot of situations where you're really confined to a kind of an enclosed area, like maybe installing an electrical box where you're adding an outlet around the home, or if you're way up on the ladder trying to install a ceiling fan and you keep dropping those screws, this is a great solution.